Main goal today is completely gut the truck, bag and tag everything religiously, so we've got everything marked, lift it off, put it on the rotisserie, the bed off, put it on a cart, tear everything down, and the frame will have a rolling chassis, pull the engine, tranny, rear end, and suspension off of it. This is really the entry level of doing a restoration. You ready to get at it?
Let's do it, man. I'm excited about it.
All right, let's go. Got all the gauges, knobs, everything out. Cigarette lighter is actually frozen in, which means I had to actually unbolt the steering column and give enough room to get it out. It's one of those things you got to deal with.
Yeah, baby. Look at that.
All right, here's where we're at so far. We've actually torn apart the front end, got the complete doghouse off. The interior is completely gutted. Anything that went through the firewall, we've basically taken out. They're in the process of unbolting, it seems like 100 bolts that are holding the bed down for a makeshift floor that was in there. Next up, we're going to pull the glass, we're going to lift the cab off the frame, and we're going to lift the bed off the frame, get them on a rotisserie and on a cart so we can get it ready for blasting. All right, let's get it all out of there. We might just set this on the ground until we get the brace kit.
We clamped off the fuel line at the tank and the line going up the frame rail. I'm going to put a new line anyway, so you might as well just clamp this one and cut it, make it easier to take the tank out.
I did that, and there was so much goo.
Yeah.
I mean, yes.
Yeah. You got it?
Got it.
Not cheating. That's all that this is.
Yeah, Justin will push it by himself now. Yeah. 10 o'clock yesterday morning, we could have drove it out of the building.
Right.
Now
Down, no, not so much.
It's in separate rooms.
Yeah. So we've got it all spread out over here at the training center. Next week we blast and get it down to bare metal, and then the real fun begins, body work.
Yeah.